again.
Okay. Ella is going to read this and the page after it. Okay, go ahead, Ella. Flip over the book so you can read it. Read loud so everybody can hear you. Go.
Say Carney with Donald Odell, a very young friend who is learning to spell. A is for ape, and B is for bear. C is for camel. The H is for hare. The M is for mouse. And the R is for rat. I know all the 26 letters like that.
Very good. Flip over to the next page.
Oh.
Okay, good job. She's looking at the picture, and then now, next page, please.
See, 3 pages.
Okay.
Z is for zebra. I know them all well. Say Cornelius, Donald Odell. So I know everything anyone knows from beginning to end, from the start to the close, because Z is as far as the alphabet goes.
Okay, so that's page 2. Now one more page. Okay.
Then he almost fell flat on his face on the floor when I picked up a chalk and drew one letter more. I never had dreamed of before. And I said, "You can stop if you want, Daisy. Most people start with Daisy, but not me. In the places I go, there are things that I can see. Never could spell if I stop with Daisy. I'm telling you this because you're the one of my friends. And my alphabet starts where your alphabet ends."
Wow, that's amazing. Let's see the next page.
Oopsie.
Okay, what does it say, Ella?
What's that?
Oh, we can find out if we read this page.
My alphabet starts with this letter called Yuz. It's the letter I use to spell is Amataz. You will be sort of surprised what there is.